Let's take a look at the EC extender kits. Included in the one-port extender kit is an EC base and EC link plus adapter. Included in the 4-port extender kit is an EC base and EC4 adapter. The EC extender kits are designed to supercharge the downlink ports of a standard Ethernet switch, delivering 10 100 megabits per second symmetrical, full duplex, and PoE over coax infrastructure with distances up to 6,000 feet, 1,830 meters. That's 18 times the reach of standard Ethernet switches. Modernizing to IP is simple, robust, and cost-effective, and is accomplished in 3 easy steps. First, connect the EC base extender to a standard Ethernet switch. Then connect the existing coax infrastructure to the EC base extender. Lastly, connect either the EC link or EC4 adapter at the endpoint location, which can be up to 6,000 feet, 1,830 meters from the EC base extender. Enable up to 4 IP endpoints from a single long-run cable with the EC4 adapter. Additionally, you can gain another 328 feet or 100 meters from the adapter to the endpoint device. The EC extender kits are ideal for customers who want to modernize to IP using any new or existing coax infrastructure. These customers want a plug-and-play solution to deploy a non-disruptive, quick, and simple PoE backbone for IP cameras, access control, intercom, wireless access points, and any other IEEE 802.3AF or AT-compliant devices. To learn more, get in touch with one of our experts and view the assets below.